If you ask 99% of the population about the square or rectangular watch, they will surely say the Cartier tank, even if they know or they know nothing about the watch industry. The tank is one of the most iconic, historical and timeless watches that there is. I mean, it was launched more than 100 years ago. And there's many types of different tanks, but this most comes from Cartier's answer to quartz watches, where they had to adapt or die. The Moss line started with silver cases with gold plating, some nice colors on the dials and quartz movements. Many years later, in 2021, the steel version was released, which is one of these ones. Now, when we talk about Cartier, we usually imagine a white dial with Roman numerals, but look at how good this watch looks with a black dial. It is still a tank, it is still elegant, but look at it. It is a statement piece. It looks incredible, astonishing. It's extremely elegant, and I really think that this is my favorite tank. Usually Cartier tanks with white dials are fine watches. They are shiny, they are elegant, they're bright. But I believe that this black dial makes this watch a bit more rebellious. It has that danger factor. It is still a really elegant watch. It is still a Cartier tank. It is still streamlined. It is still elegant. But you put this black dial on it and it just becomes something completely different while keeping the essence of Cartier. It's like David Beckham, really well dressed, sharp, with a suit but with tattoos. Keeps that edgy style, if you will. It's a really different watch. It's extremely versatile. We can change different straps. And with this black dial, every color, every single color from the rainbow will look good in this watch. But it still remains a bit mysterious. It has that X factor. I really like this watch because I think that it goes better with my personality than any other Cartier. It remains elegant, it remains classic, but it just becomes a bit more edgy and mysterious. But tell me, what do you think? Do you like it? Would you take the black dial over a white Roman numeral dial? Leave a comment down below.